Okay, we will see another example. Suppose I need to get the details of an employee. So what I will do with the help of a structure. Okay, so I am collecting his name. Second one his employee number, and the third one his address. Okay, and fourth one his salary. Okay, so if I want to collect these four things under the structure name employee, what I should do? Okay, so for that I need to define the structure, isn't it? So what is the format or the syntax? I have to put struct. I am naming the structure as employee itself, employee. Okay, and opening the braces. So for the name, I should give the character array char name, and the size of the array, let it be 20. Then the employee number. Suppose it is an integer data type. I am giving this as emp number. And next, the third one is address. So for the address, I should have the house name or number, then the street name, city, district, etc. Okay, so I have to group all these together inside address. Okay, so either you can declare the variables, like first one is the house name. So I can give char house name inside it's a character array. Then again char street, again the character array, then char city, then char district. Okay, like this I can give. And the last one is salary. So let it be a double data type, double salary. Closing it with a semicolon. Okay, I can do like this. Okay, or another method is I can use the help of a nested structure. Okay, so what do you mean by a nested structure? You all know that there is nested if, nested switch, like that, isn't it? So nested means a structure, that is nested structure means a structure inside another structure. It is known as a nested structure. So the address can be combined in one set, that is that house name, street name, city, district. So I can actually give address as one structure and employee as another structure. Okay, so I will see an example. For the same example, I will put as a nested structure. Okay, so I want the address inside the employee, isn't it? So what I should do? Inside the employee, I should give the address, isn't it? So I will declare or define the address structure first. Okay, how I will do? I will first put struct address. Okay, and I can write char house name, char street, char city, like this, and closing it with a semicolon. Okay, so I have defined a structure known as address first. Now I am going to define the employee structure. How? Again struct employee. Again grouping together the different details. What are the details? First is char name, then employee number, then here what I have done is I have put all the address details here inside the employee. Instead of that, I can put the address structure inside, or address structure variable inside this employee variable. How? I can put struct. So I am declaring address variable inside employee structure. Okay. So struct address, let this be A1. Okay. And the last thing is salary, double salary. Closing it with a semicolon. Okay. So now here actually I have declared a nested structure. Okay. So this is the nested structure, which is a structure inside another structure known as employee. Okay.